What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is There's Cuisine. So Oreo recently released these new strawberry frosted donut Oreos. And you know, every time there's a new Oreo flavor, I have to get my hands on it. And sometimes I'll make a recipe with them too. And I thought, what better recipe to make with these than some actual donuts? And for this recipe, you will need at least 15 of these strawberry frosted donut Oreos. If you're watching this on time, it's not available, then maybe they'll bring it back one day, but if not, any kind of Oreo will work. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Half a cup of chopped strawberries. A 1/4 cup of plant-based milk. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. A 1/4 cup of maple syrup. 2.5 tablespoons of applesauce. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of salt. For the glaze, you'll need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of chopped strawberries, and 1.5 teaspoons of water. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right, and here we have our final product. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like in this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. I think this little guy here would really like a donut, wouldn't you? You want a donut? Hmm? Yeah?